In the world of data science, there are three key roles that are often mentioned: data analyst, data scientist, and data engineer. But what exactly do these roles entail, and how are they different from one another? Hey, what's up everyone? If you're new here, my name is Akin. I'm a data analyst working at a healthcare analytics company, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the differences between a data analyst, data scientist, and a data engineer. Let's talk about the data analyst first. A data analyst is responsible for collecting, processing, and analyzing data to help businesses make better decisions. They often work with business stakeholders to understand their needs and provide insights into KPIs, and they use data visualization tools to create reports and dashboards. Mostly they're skilled in using tools like Excel, SQL, Tableau to manipulate and visualize data. I would say they mainly focus on extracting insights from data and presenting them in a way that's easier to understand for non-technical people. Next, we have the data scientist. A data scientist is responsible for using advanced statistical and machine learning techniques to analyze data. They're responsible for developing and testing hypotheses and building predictive models to uncover insights from data. They often work with large datasets and machine learning algorithms, and often work on projects related to AI or deep learning. They're skilled in programming languages like Python and R, and they use these languages to build predictive models and algorithms. Finally, we have the data engineer. A data engineer is responsible for building and maintaining the infrastructure that's needed to store and process data. They design, build, and maintain databases, data pipelines, and data warehouses that allow for the smooth flow of data between different systems. They also work with other teams such as software engineers and data analysts to ensure that data is stored and processed efficiently and securely. In my current role, I work very closely with data engineers, and I always go back and forth with them. Data engineers are skilled in database management and tools like Scala, Java, Hadoop, and SQL. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison on the skill set, responsibilities, and the salary for each of these roles. Here are the skills that are required for each one, and these would vary depending on the company's need. And here, take a look at the general roles and responsibilities. And lastly, these are the salaries you should expect for an entry-level role, but they would depend on the location, the industry, and on the company. So, to summarize, a data analyst is responsible for analyzing and visualizing data to help organizations make data-driven decisions. A data scientist is responsible for using statistical methods and machine learning algorithms to uncover insights from data. And lastly, a data engineer is responsible for building and maintaining the infrastructure that's needed to store and process data. It's important to note that these roles are not always clearly defined, and there can be overlap between them. For example, a data scientist may also be responsible for analyzing data or building data pipelines, while a data engineer may also be responsible for optimizing for data analysis. The differences between these roles depend on the specific needs of the company, but no matter which role you choose, one thing is certain: the ability to work with data is becoming very important in today's world, and I think these roles will continue to grow in demand. If you're interested in becoming a data analyst, make sure to watch my How I Became a Data Analyst video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.